What's up, everyone? Ever wish you could declutter your Messenger chat list on Android? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through two simple ways to remove someone from Facebook Messenger. Let's dive in. First up, archiving a chat. This is great for tidying up without completely cutting ties. Launch the Messenger app. Find and tap on the chat you want to archive. Tap on the person's name at the very top. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the option to archive. Give that a tap. Next, blocking someone. If you need a bit more distance, blocking is the way to go. Open Messenger, go into the conversation with the person, tap their name at the top of your screen. Scroll down until you find block and tap it. Then you can see two options, one is report and the other is delete. Tap on delete chat and it will delete the entire chat. And there you have it. Simple steps to manage your Messenger contacts. If you find this helpful, please give us a like, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next Messenger tutorial. Thanks for watching.